Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have something, I've really done something like this before on my channel, but today's video I'm going to be doing a fall haul. As you guys can see, I have a new little background. I recently went to Tjmaxx and to Target and I picked up a few items for fall. Fall has to be probably one of my favorite seasons because first of all, my birthday's in October, so that's one. And second, I just love the fall. I love it's not too hot, it's not too cold, so you can still look nice. Anyways, so I thought I would just get on here and show you guys the things that I picked up. Also just gonna show you guys the things that I already did have for fall. I just bought like a lot of like little pumpkins and just things like that to decorate. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this that I put behind there. So this I actually picked up from Tjmaxx. It was $12.99. I really like the whole plaid that it has going on, and it just says hello fall, so I think it's just like really nice that you can use. I decided to decorate like a little earlier in September because I feel like once it hits October, like I can't really enjoy it as much, so I just wanted to put it up a little early. Show you what I did have already. So I had this little pumpkin. I think I got this from Target last year. It's a little V for, well, my first name is Vanessa, so I think it's like really cute. It has like glitter. I'm not really too sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but for right now I'm just gonna sit it there. And then also something I really love that I got I think a year or 2 years ago is this pumpkin that says hello fall. It's so beautiful. It's such a nice color. It's such a nice like really shiny white, and I like the silver detailing as well. This was $5.99 and I got this in Marshall's. I still have the tag on the bottom, but I think it's like really nice. I'm just gonna show you guys everything, and then in the future I'll show you guys in another video. I'll show you guys where I kind of place everything. So now I'm just gonna start showing you guys what I have in the bags. I'm just gonna go random. Okay, so I picked up these really cute plants in Target. Look at them. Are they not everything? Oh my god, they're so cute. So I picked up 2 of them because I want to put these in my living room. I actually might keep one for my room, and I feel like they were running low on them, so I'm glad that I did pick them up. But if anything, I might go back because I think they're really cute. They're just these little fake plants. I've never really seen anything like this, so I thought it was like super cool and different. And then I also picked up these little pumpkins. These were like they were just $3, and I think they're really nice just to kind of like place around my house, and they're also like really inexpensive. I really like the whole vibe of white and black. I think it looks really nice. These are gonna look really nice together. So the next 2 things that I picked up, these were I think in Tjmaxx. I got this candle, which is, it's called White Pumpkin, and it's from the brand Sensational, which I've heard really good things about it. But I was trying to look for the full size of this, but there were ones that were literally like this big, and I was like, that's way too big, so I opted for this little one. This one was $3.99, and it smells like so good. I wish you guys can smell it. It smells like amazing. It smells like fall. Like it smells really good. I really like it. There were a lot of these, so I don't know if you guys can maybe check out your local Tjmaxx. You guys might find these, because I know some things Tjmaxx, like it has like one thing and then the rest it doesn't have, but I saw like a lot of these, so maybe this is something that's in several Tjmaxx's. And then the other thing I picked up was this really big Yankee candle. This is something putting in my kitchen because I think it's just really nice, and it obviously is orange, so it just screams fall. It also smells really nice. I've honestly never really had a Yankee candle before because they're like really expensive, but this one was $10, which I think it was worth it because it is a really big size. This falling leaves, so this is I guess a scent. It smells really good. Let me know down below if you guys use Yankee candles, or you guys have used it in the past, how they are. I hope that it really does smell because it's really big, so hopefully it does smell good. 2 other things that I picked up were this really big pumpkin, which I think I'm gonna put in my living room. I think it's so cute. This one was $12.99, and this one I did get in Tjmaxx. I think it's really cute pumpkin. It has this little brown handle, which is really nice. And it also is kind of, I like that it's not like a bright white like the other one. This one is like more of like a beige. So I really do like this pumpkin. I think it's so cute, and I can't wait to put it in my living room. We're almost done. So the last 2 things that I picked up were these really cute pillows, plaid pillows. I think they are so cute, and I really like that they're versatile because you can put them this way or you can put them this way. These are 2 little pumpkins, so they're just like that. These were actually really inexpensive as well. They were literally $5 each, which I think is like really cheap because I feel like pillows usually tend to be like fall pillows. Like I was looking, they were like between like $20 to like $30, which is like kind of expensive for just one pillow that says fall because you're not going to use it all year. But I feel like this I can use like even until the winter and all that, so I think it's like really nice. I think I'm going to put these on my bed, but I'm not too sure because they are small, so I do like that. And yeah, so once I put them on my bed, if I end up doing that, I will show you guys because I really like them. I think they're so cute. You could even do like one-on-one or like, I don't know. I'm gonna play around with them and see what I like, and then I will decide. So those are all the things that I picked up. There's still like a lot other things that I want to pick up. I think I'm gonna put like a orange light, which I ordered already from Target, because I have one already, but that one's usually I put outdoor. So I bought one for my room. I'm just gonna hang something like orange light and look like really nice with this fall. And then I'm just gonna see if maybe I put another pumpkin here. I don't know. I'm just gonna fix the background a little more. Once I do have the lights in, like I will obviously show you guys. Are obviously gonna see it probably in my next video. Also, if you guys are wondering where this look is from, make sure you go to check out my recent BoxyCharm video. I do a tutorial on this eye look just in case you guys want to check that out. I will leave that link down below as well. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!